I'm Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with another episode of Tech Talk. We're taking a look at one livestock market and one grain market. We'll start with the livestock. Lean hogs were the big winner today, surging higher. We got that breakout move above resistance, which we had outlined in this morning's report, 64.50 to 65. In this morning's report, we talked about a breakout above this pocket could spark a quick move to retest the September 14th highs, 67.10. That's exactly what we got today, but it wasn't all technically induced. There was great exports this morning, which really sparked this technical breakout. We had marketing year high, 60,200 metric tons. Really good to see. So where do we go from here? Well, this is a significant resistance pocket. That's why we had it listed, 66.82 to 67.60. This isn't just recent highs from September 14th, but this was previous support going all the way back to last year, August 2019, November 2019, and then the breakdown point here in January. So previous support now becomes resistance, and I wouldn't be surprised to see the market maybe fizzle out against this level, 67, 68, give or take. Backtest, refill this gap, but this gap down here, this old resistance from the recent trading range, now becomes technical support. The bulls remain in control until we see consecutive closes back below here. That would not put us in a bearish bias, but more neutralize the technical landscape. So that's what we're looking at for December lean hogs. Now, moving over to the wheat market, something that we touched on yesterday was the big move out above $6 and kind of talked about the top being a process and not necessarily a point. Well, I think that process perhaps started today. We kind of got a little bit of a blow off top. We were trading as much as 20 plus cents off of the highs at one point today, which is really encouraging on the bear side. We talked about wanting to be aggressive sellers, but we need to see more confirmation of a reversal. We got the first step of that today. This pocket right here is going to be a big one going forward. This is previous resistance, the breakout point right here. If we break and close below here, I think we could see some accelerated selling pressure and long liquidation, take us at least back down here to 580. That was the previous highs back here in March and the breakout point more recently. So we are leaning towards the bear side on this wheat market now. One of the things that kind of has us a little bit gun shy is the fact that we do have a USDA report, so we're looking forward to getting past that and the market reaction of that report to get a little bit more aggressive on the sell side. Something to watch very closely here. Wheat market potentially backing off here in the very near future. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures from the Chicago Board of Trade. Remember, trading futures and options involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.